A Claude Code skill is more than reusable prompt text. Its body loads only when the skill is used, while frontmatter defines when it appears, who may invoke it, which tools apply, and whether work stays in the current context or moves to a fork. Commit project skills when the workflow belongs to the repository. Start with invocation policy. A precise description helps Claude load a skill automatically when relevant. Set disable-model-invocation to true for sensitive or expensive workflows that only a user should start. Set user-invocable to false for background knowledge that Claude may use but people should not trigger directly from the /menu. Next, define the tool boundary. Allowed tools can pre-approve narrowly described actions during the invoking turn. Disallowed tools remove capabilities while the skill is active. These controls clear on the next user message, so they are turn-scoped policy, not permanent settings and not a substitute for repository or organization security controls. Make the workflow concrete with arguments and live evidence. Use the full arguments token, positional forms, or named arguments declared in frontmatter. An inline shell injection can capture a current Git diff before Claude sees the instructions. Keep those commands read-only and deterministic, because injected output becomes part of the skill context. For large repositories, path patterns limit automatic activation to matching files. Set context to fork when a procedure should run in a separate subagent context, optionally choosing an agent type and whether the parent waits. A fork protects the main context budget, but it also requires a crisp task packet and an evidence-rich handoff. Test the skill as a system. Try both natural language selection and direct/invocation where allowed. Confirm restricted tools are absent, arguments expand correctly, and dynamic evidence is current. If the skill forks, require the subagent to return paths, test results, or other proof. The aha is that reusable instructions become reliable only when execution policy is explicit.